Hi guys, it's Sarah and Freya here for another installment of JAMM. We hope you've enjoyed our last couple of videos which have taken you through drills and exercises that stretch lots of different areas in one go. So we've got one final, Bretzel that we'd like to show you. This again focuses on stretching things more so at the front of your body, and I guess is a little bit of a progression from the anterior Bretzel that we showed you earlier. So Freya will be our fantastic model today. So she's going to actually start off in kneeling. So for this drill, if you're a little bit tender in the knees, we always recommend doubling or rolling up the mats a little bit more so your knees comfortable. And Freya, can I just get you to bring that foot a little bit further forward? Yeah, good one, good transition. So this is step one. So you can see Freya's got a nice straight shin here in her front leg. She's leaning forward and she's probably feeling a little bit of a stretch down the front of her back leg. Wonderful. So Freya, can I get you to pop your hand down on the ground? Again, if this is a little bit tight for you or you're a little bit more restricted, you can use a bench or a step to put your hand on to give you the adequate level of stability. But Freya's doing well so far. So I'm going to help her because it's the first time she's ever done this. Can you believe it? So I'm going to help her pick up her knee. I'm going to get her to grab her back foot with her palm facing outwards. So this is important to really open up the shoulder and the trunk on this side. And then on cue, Freya's going to give us a nice big smile, a nice big rotation. And so you can probably see now that Freya's going to be getting a stretch down her hip flexor, her quad. She's getting beautiful rotation through her trunk, so she's going to be feeling some stretching through the ribs, her shoulder blade. And why I guess this is a progression, she can get really low into this hip, and if she wanted to, woo, she can open this out further to actually get a lot of good stretch in her glutes. So I think Freya's running out of Bretzel time. She enjoyed that, which was great. So this is a progression of the anterior Bretzel that we showed you. Obviously, like all our mobility drills, work into it at a level that you feel comfortable. But this is another one where there's great bang for buck if you can go into the full position. So thanks Freya. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Good luck with your Bretzel.